Hey everyone, diving deep today into why your partner might struggle with reaching orgasm and how you can support them. I'm Dr. Nazanin Moali, a clinical psychologist, certified sex therapist, and host of the Sexology podcast. Today we're tackling a sensitive topic, the roadblocks that could be impacting your partner's ability to experience an orgasm. There are hidden factors at play, like medication side effect, hormonal imbalances, and the feelings of shame about sex. Even if these issues don't seem directly related to you, remember, you and your partner are a team. For instance, if their challenges come from antidepressant side effects, avoid pressuring them about reaching the finish line or criticizing their meds. Instead, be a team player. Ask how you can both find satisfaction together. Sexual intimacy is teamwork. Facing it together is crucial. Your partner might benefit from extra oral stimulation or trying at a sex toy for more excitement. Being a supportive teammate means suggesting these options without any judgment. And hey, let's remember, this is a safe space where empathy meets education. Sometimes it's the unspoken things that affect our intimate lives the most. It's not just about techniques, it's about understanding each other and connecting. Let's discuss how our actions in the bedroom could be part of the issue and how can we turn that around. Let's be real, being self-centered in bed can be a mood killer. It's tempting to focus solely on your own pleasure, but that doesn't foster the intimacy we're after. It's about sharing the moment, finding that rhythm together, ensuring it's a two-way street where everyone feels valued. Feeling pressure to perform can really dampen the vibe in our closest relationships. Whether it's societal expectation or personal stress, it can turn a sweet moment into a test. Relax, breathe, and connect. These moments aren't about ratings, they're about sharing. Each shared second is already perfect in its own way. And then there is engagement, or the lack of it. When our partner seems disengaged, it sends a clear message. It implies that others' pleasure doesn't matter, which is far from the mark. Show genuine interest. Discuss what excites each other. When you show care, every touch becomes meaningful and every glance speaks volumes. We covered a lot today and I hope you found the content meaningful. Remember, change begins with being open to seeing both the problems and the potential within us. It's about growing together, communicating, and supporting one another in a shared journey toward deeper satisfaction and connection. If you want to up your game as a great sexual partner, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got all the tips, techniques, and advice you need to boost intimacy and connection in your relationships.